What's going on, guys? Tower MMT Pros, we out here on site about to take care of this detail service. As you can see, we have some clay in our hand. This is a budget tools video. This clay is some budget clay. We will be doing a video on this in the future. We're just testing it out. And as you can see, the car is already been washed. It's already been washed, and we refoamed the front of the vehicle so we can start with the clay process. As you can see, we're using extremely light pressure while we're doing this clay barring process. Now let's take a look at the clay bar. As you can see, guys, look at that. It's definitely picking up a lot of contaminants from the vehicle. Okay, right here we have our Chicago Electric with the 5-inch Meguiar's backing plate. We have two of those. One has a 3-inch backing plate and the other has a 5-inch backing plate. As you can see, this one has a 3-inch backing plate. Let me turn it around so you guys can see. And this one has the 5-inch backing plate by Meguiar's. Both are Meguiar's backing plates. This is our favorite go-to thin pad. This is Meguiar's soft buff pad. This is the black one. We have the red one as well as the yellow one. The yellow one is the medium cut and the red one is the heavy cut. This is one of our favorite pads, guys. And right here we have our go-to small pads as far as 3-inch pads, but these are 3.5-inch pads made by Lake Country. These are our go-tos. Normally we get the 3-inch pads. I think they force pads or they hybrid pads. I'm not sure, I can't remember, that we usually get from Lake Country, but they were out of stock right at the time, so we went ahead and got the 3.5 to go ahead and fit our 3-inch backing plate, you know, because we do have small jobs and we also have other 3-inch polishers. But you know, we're about to put these on the polishers, and we're about to knock this car out, guys. Okay, guys, we will be using the HD Poxy. It's a montane wax. It leaves high gloss, it's long lasting protection, and it's easy to use. This is something that I keep in my arsenal, keep it around. Been using it for a couple of years now. Right here we have our Chicago Electric, like I just showed you, with our 5-inch backing plate, with our soft buff Meguiar's pad. We're about to get started on the vehicle, and we're going to let you guys check it out. The pad is brand new, so of course I do have to add a little extra product to it. You know, like you see, I got five dots on it. You know, a little extra product because it is brand new. So we're gonna go ahead and apply it to the paint and let you guys check it out. Stay tuned. Right now I'm just spreading the product on the vehicle so it doesn't sling all over the place. Once we get started, starting at a very low speed, and then we're going to ramp it up once the product is spread over the vehicle. Okay, guys, we've already applied the HD Poxy all over the vehicle. As you can see, we just finished applying it. Now we're waiting for it to completely flash, and we're going to go ahead and wipe it down and let you guys see the results of this HD Poxy. We are going to apply a sealant to the top of it as a topper, but stay tuned. We got our edgeless towel, and we're about to remove the wax with it. found my iPod, guys, from my Nano. This thing is super old. Found it, charged it up. Oh man, I'm listening to music I haven't heard since the early 2000s, guys. It's definitely had me moving out here today, you guys. It gave me a little energy just listening to this old music, guys. I definitely enjoy it. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish wiping this vehicle down, and I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Okay, guys, we just got done. This is the HD Poxy with Montane wax. It's showing a lot of gloss, and we have our garden hose out here. We're going to spray a little water so you guys can actually see the beading and the protection. So go ahead and just stay tuned and check it out. Woo-wee, look at that. Look at that beading. Woo-wee, guys, look at that. It's that HD Poxy with the Montane wax. Definitely something we keep in our arsenal. Definitely something we keep around. Just wanted to share with you guys this short, quick video. But that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for viewing. We're going to get back with you on the next one. Peace. As you can see, a lot of protection, a lot of beading. Thanks for viewing, guys. Peace.